This is question 18. Given that ABCD is a square of side 64. E is a midpoint of AB. Join EC and let F be the midpoint of EC. Join FD, let G be the midpoint of FD. And join AG. We are asked to find the area of the quadrilateral AEFG. First of all, we'll let AD to be equal to 4x. If this is 4x, then AE is 2x and EB equals to 2x. I construct a horizontal line that passes through F and construct another vertical line that's passed through F as well. And call this F prime. And we also call this point as H. Now note that the triangle CFF prime is similar to the triangle CEB. Since F is a midpoint of EC, so this is 1 to 1. And therefore CF to CE is 1 to 2. CF to CE is 1 to 2. CF to CE is 1 to 2 and it is equal to FF prime to BE. Equals to FF prime to BE. But FF prime equals to BH. So BH to BE is 1 to 2. And BH to HE is 1 to 1. And therefore, it is X and X. Now we are focused on this rectangle. AE to EH is 2 to 1. So now I let the area of triangle EHF to be equal to A. So call this is A. And I join AF. Since EH to EA is 1 to 2, and therefore this is 2A. Since this is a midpoint, this is 3A, and this is also a 3A. We know that the area of triangle AED will be half of the area of this rectangle, and it will be equal to 6A. Since this is the midpoint, it will be 3A and 3A. Now we look at the question. We are asked to find the area of AEFG. AEFG is equal to 5A. And from here, we also know that 12A is the area of this rectangle, and it will be equal to 4x times 3x. 4x times 3x. That is equal to 12x squared. And therefore, A equals to x squared. And therefore, 5A equals to 5x squared. 4x equals to 64, x equals to 16. So 5x squared will be equal to 5, 16 squared. 5 times 16 squared equals to 1280. So 1280 is the answer for question 18.